Revit Quick Select is an app that you can download from the Autodesk App Store for just $10. This is the Autodesk App Store. You can buy now or even start a 30-day free trial. Once it's installed, it will show up on the Add-ins tab of your Revit program. Revit Quick Select will allow you to select objects by using a filter with something more specific than just family and type. For example, if I wanted to select all of these wire pull boxes that have an MCB rating of 1 amp, we can use Revit Quick Select. We simply go to the Add-ins tab, clicking on Revit Quick Select. We see a list of items that we can choose from. Under electrical equipment, I'll be looking for the MCB rating of 1 amp. When I click OK, you can see all the items that have been selected.